Hi, I'm Pranjali. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss another question which is based on theory of computation. Here the question is, which of the following option is correct? Here we have given a language which consists of ABC and AABA set multiplied by concatenate by epsilon A BB set. Here we have given 4 options and we will check which of the following option is correct by analyzing those options. First, ABC BB epsilon AA BC BB epsilon A. This option checks if the string ABC BB belongs to AA. Since ABCBB is not in any of the sets in within AA, this statement is true. Epsilon not epsilon A belongs to epsilon A. This option checks if the empty string epsilon belongs to AA. Since epsilon is explicitly listed as a member of one of the sets within AA, namely the second set, this statement is false. Third statement is epsilon may not belong to AA. This option suggests that if it's possible for epsilon not to be a member of AA. However, epsilon is explicitly listed as a member of one of the sides within AA. So this statement is false. And the last statement is ABCA epsilon AABCA epsilon A. This option checks if the strings ABCA belongs to A. Since ABCA is not in any of the sets within AA, this statement is true. Hence, the correct option are A and option D, which is option A is ABCBB not epsilon A, ABCBB epsilon A. And the last option is ABCA not epsilon AA, BCA epsilon A. Thank you.